Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to italicize in Discord on laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now select your text. Now I'm going to show you a normal message. If you want to type an italic message, then press here star, your text, and then star. Then press on enter. So you can see the difference between normal message and italic message. So this is how to italicize in Discord on your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.